This is absurd.
Ooh, yeah, we chopping up that smelly before we hit.
Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, when I get that, I'm Steph, and this is my YouTube channel. If you guys like cleaning videos and all that stuff, I think you might like this one. We're kind of gonna do a spring cleaning closet purge, and before we get into it, I want to go over the reasons why I am cleaning up my closet. And one reason here for this, I have lost some weight recently, and a lot of my clothes don't fit me quite well anymore. Anytime that I want to go shopping, I just don't even know what I need for my closet because I have an overwhelming amount of clothes where I only wear maybe about 30% of it. I usually do this kind of thing where when I get rid of clothes, when I was back home, I used to get a group of my friends and kind of do like a clothing swap thing where I would just like bring all my clothes that I was gonna donate and give it to them first so that they could get first pickings and then donate the rest. But I think since I'm not home, what I'm going to do is separate some clothes for donation and then also have some clothes that I might sell on Depop. So if any of the clothing that I talk about or show you guys in the closet purge, if you guys are interested and if you guys would like to buy it off Depop, then please let me know because I have never sold anything on Depop, so I'm still deciding whether or not I'll be doing that. But I just have a lot of clothes that I haven't ever worn, or I've worn once, or clothes with just the tags on it still, just and like nice things, so I don't want them to go to waste and I would rather them go to a nice home. So let me know if you guys think that's a good idea. So if you look behind me, all those like white doors are where my closet is, and we are going to be going through that. And I also have all my laundry that I did freshly, and we'll also be going through that stuff. So I'm just gonna take all the stuff out, lay it out, and just get into it, I guess. Okay guys, change in angle. We are here by some of my closet. This one I don't think we'll get through today. This has like accessories, hats and stuff, extra bags. And all of these, like, I have like a lot of these drawers down here. All of them have like underwear and like bathing suits and all that stuff, which I probably will go through at a different point in time. These pants are from Urban Outfitters, and this is from Forever 21. Even the pants that I'm wearing right now are too big on me because if you look, I have to roll them up to make them fit. Let's go through this one. I even bought myself a coffee before starting this because I knew this was gonna stress me out. So I was like, I need coffee. I need my energy to be up so that I can do all of this work because this is gonna be a lot of work. Dress with like some slits. I never wear this anymore, so it is going into the, I think this will go into the sell pile. I think condition and it's nice quality, so I really love this dress. It is frilly. It reminds me of like one of the Reformation dresses. I actually got this for like a Christmas party, and I have yet to wear it other than that time, so I'm definitely keeping this. These flare jeans that I thrifted and I ripped myself from literal high school. I don't need these anymore. These don't need to be in my closet anymore, yet I still have them. Why? Some like long trousers that were from when Madison, what is her name? Madison Beer, is that her name? She made like a collection with Misguided, and they're like super uber high-waisted, and I still have the tag on them and I have yet to wear them, but I think that I will probably wear them sometime in the future. Donation station. So everything left here in this part of the closet is actually stuff that I already had gone through, and I know it's stuff that I'm keeping, so I will leave it like that. But look at all the space that I have. I mean, I still have to like go through things and hang things up again. I will show you guys at the end of the video how everything looks when I go through everything, but so far, let's keep going. So this part right here of my closet has a lot more of my like colorful stuff. As you can see, I have some dresses in here, just some random stuff that I haven't touched. So let's get into it. I wore these red pants with the buckle like maybe twice, and I don't foresee me wearing them again. I bought when Lexi Lombard did her, she did she designed her own sweatshirt, and it says I like my mind more than my face. And even though I live in like a really hot tropical climate and I don't have a need for this and I don't need to wear this, I still really like it, so I'm keeping it. Bought this off the shoulder shirt with like lace bell sleeves on it. Haven't worn it once, probably will not wear it, getting rid of it. Probably will look really good on someone else. I just don't think it looks that great on me. So if you guys want this top, then comment that down below. This is one of those like sheer tops, and this one's like reflective. It's really cute, actually. I don't find that I have anywhere to wear this, so I will probably also sell this one. But look how pretty it is. Even on camera, you can see how reflective it is. Ta-da! This is where we're at with this section of the closet. So I have a lot of space, and we still have more to go of stuff that I'm going to be selling, and these two bags as well of stuff that I'm gonna be getting rid of as well. Say hi to your fans, Papa! It's the last section of my closet. This is where I keep most of my coats, my winter stuff that I don't need here, and workout stuff, so this should be pretty quick to go through. Guys, this dress, I have to give you guys like a moment for this dress. I wore this dress to my cousin's wedding. I will put like pictures around here of what it looked like. It's gorgeous. I bought it on ASOS, and I was nervous when I got it because I wasn't sure if it was gonna work out. Because you know how it is when you buy stuff online and you don't get to try it on. But it's just this gorgeous, pretty like turquoisey fringe, and it was just so beautiful on. However, I don't think that I'll have another occasion to wear this to. Santa Cruz sweatshirt that I love so much, and I cannot get rid of. It just reminds me of home, and I just can't get rid of it, and I refuse. One of my prom dresses. I am debating selling this because it's so pretty, but I just don't know yet if I will sell it or not, or give it to somebody, or keep it for the memes. Okay, so that's everything that was in my closet. So I will show you where we are so far, as far as like what I'm getting rid of, what I'm keeping and everything. So here I have stuff that is potentially good for Depop. Here, this pile is stuff that, get off my clothes, Talisi. This is Bad Puppy. This is stuff that will be in the donation pile, that I will like give to like some kind of donation center. I have just like hangers that I went through, and also this stuff that I'm keeping but I need to hang up again. Alright, now we're gonna get into the stuff that I need to still hang, and laundry stuff. So let's get into that section, which I think is gonna be a major chunk of my closet. this done, so it's now time to organize this in my closet. Closet purge. I got rid of so much stuff and I'm so happy. Like now I have like a new, like, you know, refound focus in my wardrobe, and I know what I have, and it just feels so good to get rid of all the extra stuff. So yeah, if you guys want to see some of the stuff being sold on Depop, then let me know, and I will definitely open a Depop shop to like sell all this stuff. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment down below any other videos you'd like to see from me. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much. Ciao. Mwah.